Hello. This time I have created dice game using FPGA. So in this, what I have done is I have used my own structure architecture, and I have defined three inputs, and I can take output at these eight LEDs and these two RGB LEDs. So what I have done is I have given just input from this side and taken output at these LEDs, and another input I have taken from this switch button and this switch button. This is the reset, that is P17. This is the input for the user B. This is for the input for the user A. And what I have done is and this FPGA board is randomly generating sequence number from 2 to 12, and every time if 369 comes, if for example if user A has started its turn, mm, and he enters the number first. For example, he gives a number this time, and if 369 comes, at users A, then he wins. If 2 4 11 comes, then he loses, and if other numbers that are left are 5 7 8 10 12 comes, then user A losses, and the same goes with the user B. I'm going to reset it again. As we saw that 1001, when entered by the user A, the red LED on this RGB got illuminated, because red is the output for A. Whenever A wins, then red LED will go on. When A loses, then red LED goes off and blue LED gets on. And another thing is that, like, if the input is 5 7 8 10 12, then again user will have to input via these switches, and another and then the sum generated on these LEDs. The first sum that was generated in the stage 1 would be presented on these LEDs. So it will be in a stage wise input, and the same would go for this. For example, if the user tried to input this from these switches, and he got 5 7 8 10 12, and again the CPU will ask the user B to enter input again, and again entered input will be stored on these sides. And in the stage 2, if again the input doesn't come 369, then he loses. So the game is, in the stage 2 you mandatorily have to get 369, otherwise you will lose the game. But um, but if in the first stage itself you get 369, then you wins. Or if you get 2 4 11, then you will lose the game. But again, if you enter if you get number 5 6 7 8 10 12 in the first stage, and in the next stage also you get 5 7 8 10 12, then you will lose. So now we are going to start. I have reset this board. Now I am going to press give input. As we all can see that this number is 6. When I entered on the very first stage, I got 6, so I won. That's why this LED is red. Now I am going to reset it, or I'm even if I don't reset, then also it's so fine. Now I'm going to give the input from this side. As we can see, there was a slight delay cause I pressed the input continuously, and the input was also taken on the positive edge of the clock. So the first stage the input for the first stage was 1010, that is 10. So it was from the input 5 7 8 10 12. So again I had to input I had to give the input, and if input doesn't come as 369, then I'll lose the game. So I lost the game, cause again the input was 7, and initially I entered 7, so this LED got blue. Now I'm going to reset it. Suppose if I again give the input from this side, and this time the randomly generated number was 0101, that is 5. So again I had to enter into the next state, and again the input that was taken into this dice game was 12. So again it was not from 369, so I lost. Oh, again I lost cause the input was serially 8 and 4. Again I have to try it again. Again I'm losing from this side. Now I'm losing from this side because again I'm unable to get 369. Oh, this time I got 6. So when I got 6 on this user A, the red LED got on and I won the game. Oh, again when I press the reset button, the input from the user A was taken serially into this stage 1. In stage 2 the stage 1 input was 10 and the stage 2 input was 7, so I lost because in the second stage it was not 369. This time I also lost on the user B cause 7 and 12 was not taken. The user B is oh, this time 3 came on my user A in the very first state, so I again won in the user A. Even I'm unaware of these random inputs. Okay, so this time the input on the user A was 9, so this LED was turned on cause the user itself won in the very first state, as he was able to get 369. So we checked the user A input for 369 and user A won, but we should also check it for the user B na. Okay, the user B now got 369, so he won on cause his side LED was glowed to be blue.